It is September 8th, 2016, and I was just out here smoking a cigarette, and I looked up into the sky, and what do I see floating above me? Good old chemtrails! But wait, look at that right there. Let me zoom in on this sucker. Look at that. Is that crazy or what? Earlier, I was watching it and it looked like it was a little vortex, that donut hole there. But anyways, I don't know, man. It's just craziness. Crazy, crazy, crazy. And look at that. Just crazy stuff, man. And then that over there, you can see like little ripples, or I don't know what that is. It looks like little lines, like Coke lines. That's what it reminds me of when I used to do Coke when I'd go to parties. But anyways, don't tell anybody else that. LOL. Anyways, I just thought I'd make a real quick video, some more tripped out chemtrails. Anybody that's watching this, you have a good one. Peace.